We can return to the buildings after some time and look if the buildings are okay or not, if there is any damages or not. But we should be prepared, because aftershocks might occur. So we should return after getting this feeling that there are no more aftershocks coming. When we return, if we are finding anything like snapped wires and all these things, snapped wires, smell gas leak, or we should not switch off all stoves, lights and electric gadgets. When we return, if we find all this leakage, snapped wires, we should not go near them, and we should switch off all the stoves, lights and electrical gadgets. One should always stay calm. The first thing to, when there is disaster, stay calm. If you stay calm, then you can think, and if you can think, then you can come out of a bad situation. You can call for help, offer aid to people and in relief camps. Safety measurement against flood. What are the safety measurements against flood? The safety measurements against floods are, as I told, that you heard during that cyclone hitting Orissa, the government asked the people to keep their things properly packed near them, so that if the water is rising, anything happens, and if they are moved from their places, then they can carry their important things with them. The government and relief organization must also have provision of giving shelter to people who are hit due to flood areas. The government must equip rescue stations near flood-prone areas. Then it will be easier for the government to understand how to help the people, and relief can be given quickly. People living in flood-prone areas should be prepared to handle their own problems also, because every time the government is not able to come, then people have to manage by themselves. They should be familiar with their terrain in order to quickly reach safer places in case of flood. A long stick should be kept handy to aid safety through floodwaters. No electric mains must be switched off to avoid electric short circuits. One should keep a track of all the warnings about the flood given in TV, radio. People should listen to them and keep everything in proper to help themselves out. What are the safety measures against droughts? Droughts means when there is no water and everywhere that the lands get dried up. Using water resources such as river, lakes, ponds carefully and maintaining them is important. Rainwater harvesting is replacing the and depleting supply of groundwater. The government and the social welfare organizations should teach and enable people to learn how rainwater harvesting can be done and how they can check the underground water. Like in Tamil Nadu, the government should announce that every building that are built nowadays should have rainwater harvesting system. We should stop cutting, and the most important, people who for their own uses cut off the trees and the jungles, they should stop it. If they need roots and woods, they can cut the old branches of the trees and leave the whole tree so that new branches can come and prevent the soil from erosions. We should stop wasteful uses of water in our daily life, like we went to bath and we are opening the tap, we keep on brushing and the water is running out. That is bad habit. We should look after this and try not to do such things. Okay, rest, next class. Bye. Thank you.